Nicole Scott here for Mobile Geeks, and here I am taking a look at a new MSI notebook focused on business. This is the PS42. So it's an ultra lightweight, 1.2 kilos. We have a full bevy of ports. I love the keyboard. MSI actually makes gaming notebooks primarily, so it's nice to see them move into this business laptop space where they're bringing their high-end, really nice, heavy travel keyboard to the market. You also see that we have a page up, page down over here, full-size right and left shift key. We have a really good number pad around the side there, and then of course we got speakers integrated off the top. There's a fingerprint sensor into the trackpad, and you'll notice that that trackpad is kind of offset to the left a little bit, which is a little bit of a gaming thing. If we take a walk around the system, you'll see just how thin this unit is. We have the PSU here, full-size HDMI, Type-C port, headphone jack. Then around the front we have a nice thin profile. You can see that the MSI kind of finish is, you know, a little premium because of the gaming heritage. Now there's a Kensington lock there, full-size SD card, which I do like to see because I haven't moved over primarily to micro SD cards, but there is another Type-C port, which is really important actually for a lot of business users, and I think a lot of anyone who's actually a little future forward. Two full-size USB, and you can see that they are 3.0 there, so they are quick. Taking a look at the back, we do have that really nice MSI logo kind of built in there. Large fans around the back. Now this is up to i5. I'm not sure what the RAM is. Actually, let's quickly check that out. So, actually, we can have this great camera set up here, which you can see is down here, which typically means that it just shoots your breasts. But I guess maybe most men are using this and they like to look at their chest. But the camera angle, for me, it's always too low. No one's attractive from this level. Maybe, I don't think anyone really likes it. To me, everyone's making this compromise to have this ultra thin bezel, but then they put this huge chin on the bottom. To me, I would rather have a slightly larger bezel at the top with a better placed camera. But the entire industry is doing it. It's pretty annoying. It's kind of like the notch. But let's just take a look at the RAM, because I don't actually know how much it has. So it's a U-series CPU, i7, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and then it does have an MX150 graphics card. So that is an NVIDIA GeForce graphics card. Let's just pull up the GeForce Experience Center here. So you can see that we've got the MX150, and then it's got 2 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. Nothing's actually installed right here, but it does come with a little extra bit of power if you do need to kind of, I guess, use this for more complicated graphics tests. Now the other thing that's great for business is that this does have a matte display, so you can use it outside without too many problems. So this has just been a quick look at the MSI Prestige, the PS42. I really do like seeing MSI enter into the business notebook range because I do think that their devices are quite good for content creators and anyone who's looking for that, you know, performance-driven notebook. Nicole Scott here for Mobile Geeks.